Hello friends, thanks for joining Avitech Learn. In the last class, we have learned basic structure of HTML. In that, we have learned bold, paragraph, break, horizontal line, and heading. So today we're going to learn font and background color. So before that, I want to tell you about the tags, attributes, and the elements. So what you see here, add, HTML, title, body, this all called tags. Inside tags, after space, whatever you write, that is called as attribute. Now after attribute, that is called elements. Okay, let us change that title. Okay, I'm going to save the file now and refresh the file. So always remember, after the tag we have to give the space and we're going to write the attribute. So the attributes are, I'm going to write for the background color BG color, and you can observe here BG color, there is no U. When I add U here, it will not consider. So there is no U in the background for color. So BG color, background color. This is the attribute equals to, with the double quotes, we're going to open the double quote, that is double apostrophe. After that, whatever the color you want, you can write that one. So I'm going to mention the name of the color. I'm going to write here green and close the double quotes. So we have to hold the shift and press next to the enter key. There is actually a key called double apostrophe. You just press that. So we're going to close this element. So this is the body, tags, attribute or nothing but BG color. After the space, whatever you write, that is called as attribute, and equals to, with the double quotes, whatever written inside, this is called elements. So we're going to write some more attributes in the future classes. So today we are learning only the basic things. I'm going to save this one again, Control S save. I'll go back to the page and refresh the page. You can see we got the color background. We can do other way also. There is one more way. We can use the we can use the hashtag, and I would give some value. You can see here, save and refresh the page. You can see the color has changed. So this is called hexadecimal colors. So this, I'm going to tell you about this one in the advanced. What is this one? Just now write the number, 6 digits number after the hashtag. You get some different. You can change the values also. So we have RGB colors, hexadecimal colors, that I'm going to talk in the advanced HTML. Today we are learning the basic. You can see the color is changing. As soon as I change the values, you can see the color is changing. You can keep any values. I can change the value here. You can see here. I can change the value 6 digits. So the color will change. Either you can take the name of the color or you can put the values with the hashtag. So this is the BG color. So we're going to change the color. Now for this, I want to color the font. Now I want to design this text. For that, I'm going to use one more tag called font. Font is the tag. I have opened the tag and I'm going to close that. Just before the text, I have opened the font and I have closed after the text. So space, I'm going to write the attribute face. What is this face? The face is nothing but style of the font. Let me open this. Some of you don't know what is the face of that one. Now I'm going to open the notepad again, normal notepad. Go to file, go to format, font. And you can see here, these are the styles of the font. So whatever you select the font, so that is called face. Font face we are selecting. Now when I select the Cooper, the same style we want to work. The same style will appear in the out. Okay, these are the font styles. If you don't know the name of the font style, you can come and check over there and you can type the font name. So I have some font. So I'm going to type one font name now. Algerian. Algerian is the font name. This is the tag and this is the element. Now I want to color. Now let us save this. Control S save. Go back here and refresh the page. You can see here, I'm going to zoom the page now. I want to color the font. Now I'm going to write here color equals to orange and refresh the page. So you can see here, we can see here we have changed the font color. We also have font size. For that I want to decrease the size of the text. I'll keep it the default size. You can see now I have kept the default size 100. I'll go back to the page. I'm going to write here size equals to, I'm going to write here 25. Save, Control S save and refresh the page. And you can see here I have not zoomed the page now. Now when I scroll the mouse, you can observe here we have 100 size, but the font style is increased because of 25. So this is the attribute, this is the element. This is the attribute, is the element. So these are the basic things of HTML, font and background color. So in the next class, we're going to learn how to put the background image for the page. That we're going to learn in the next class. Thank you for joining Avitech. Please like the video, share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.